You know, everyone wishes they had a superpower, but they're wrong, because I have power and I don't want it. Ah, crap, a bird pooped on my head! Now you must be wondering how I discovered these powers. It affects me every day of my life. Hot and cold's an issue. Every drink is a gamble. Don't get me wrong though, the power has a few advantages.
Hello, Tom.
I decided to go public with my powers to get help. Turned out I got a rather interesting proposition.
Hi, Mr. Sneeze. We'd like you to be a representative of softy tissues. What do you say?
Are you tired of sneezing into your hand? Well, a hero is coming to save you.
That's softy tissue. Oh, some sneeze, eh? Oh, hey kids! When you've got a mean supervillain of a cold, you want something that's soft but deceptively strong. That's why I recommend these softy tissues. They are super soft but super strong, like me. That was a good day of shooting, guys. It was real good. We got a good bunch of productivity there. I mean, the advert went fantastic. Well, see you there. At least I'm getting paid. Sweet relief. I really need to find a way to get out of my contract.
Sneeze on me.
Sneeze on me!